Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study from your English grammar. It's or its. When to use its with apostrophe s and when to use a simple its. The its with apostrophe s means it is. Its is the short form of it is. In this, apostrophe is used to show that the I in the word is has been dropped. So instead of I, apostrophe is used. This is the apostrophe. In its also you can see apostrophe here. So let us see few examples. It's going to rain. In other way, how we can write it as? It is going to rain. So short form of it is written as its. It apostrophe s. Second is it's the 12th of June. That is, it is the 12th of June. Now let's talk about the another its. Both sound the same. It's with apostrophe s and it's without the apostrophe s. Both of them, they sound the same, but there is a big difference. Let us see the other one. It's is a pronoun that is used as an adjective, that is describing word, before a noun to show belonging. So what is this it's without apostrophe? It is a pronoun, and when it is used before a noun word. That is before a naming word. For what? To describe the noun. It is used as an adjective. Let us see examples. The dog rested in its place. The place belonging to, that is meant for the dog. It is the dog's place. I read the example once again. The dog rested in its place. Whose place it was? Dog's place. So it is showing the belonging of that place. It is of the dog. And for example, if we use the apostrophe s its over here, how it will sound? The dog rested in its place. That is it. The dog rested in its place. So it will be totally wrong. So here you have to use simple its without apostrophe s. And what is the noun here? It is told to us, right, that we have to use the simple its before a noun. So place is a noun, and before the noun we have used this its as a pronoun. Okay, let's move on to the next example. The baby was crying for its mother. That is the baby's mother. To whom the baby is belonging? To the mother. So here the mother is a noun and its simple its is used before the noun. The baby was crying for its mother. This is the correct one. If we use here the apostrophe s, then how it will sound? The baby was crying for It is mother. It will become, if we use its with apostrophe, so it will be wrong. So here we have to use a simple its itself. I hope you have followed the difference between its with apostrophe s and its without the apostrophe s. Let us solve this exercise. Fill in the blanks with its or its. The first one has been done as an example. It's of no use to you. If you are getting confused, you can use the full form of its. Check your answer that whether it is sounding correct. Now if here we use the full form, it is of no use to you. So it is sounding correct. So first one is correct. Let us see the second one. A dictionary gives you a word placed in alphabetical order and dash meaning. Its meaning. So which its will come here? Simple its without apostrophe s. Let's see the fourth one. It's time to turn on the water spout. So here its with apostrophe s will come. How to check our answer? We'll read it in full form. It is time to turn on the water spout. I hope children you have followed where to put a simple its and where to put its with apostrophe s. So complete this exercise. Study well, prepare well for your term exam 2. All the best. Thank you dear children and have a nice day.